Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make fried chicken. I mean buttermilk fried chicken by me. Before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Makoto Shevandy Adistyo from 12th grade, number 19. Okay, for the ingredients we have the chicken. I use the Thai chicken, so it's more fluffy, I think. The second we have egg, the milk, and the flour for the crisp. And don't forget the oil for the fried things. Okay, first of all, we will crack an egg. I will show you how to crack an egg with one hand. It's very good, I think. Throw out garbage. And the milk, I use ultra milk. Put the milk with the egg together. Okay, I think it's done. Ah, so good. The second things, after you put the milk and the egg together, you will stir it like this. So it combines the egg and the milk together. Okay, I think it's done. We don't need this anymore. I think I need more. Okay. Before we put this chicken to this, and this, I think I will put the oil first. We need a lot of oil. Oh shit. Okay. I think it's enough. Shit. I don't am good at cooking. Okay, things good. Oh, it's so hot. Okay. The fourth step. Okay. We continue. The fourth step. We need to put the chicken on the egg and milk so it will, what it's called, it will stick the chicken with the flour. We need to make sure the chicken has combined. I mean, just pour. After that, we put to the floor like this, and then we do the shaky shake. Oh shit, I don't know. think like this is enough. Okay. Take that. I think it's good. Put to the plate. And just repeat. So the next step, we will preheat the oil to like, I think medium heat is good. So we wait the oil until the oil is hot, you know. To check the oil, if the oil is hot or not, you can do this trick. You pick a little of the flour and you do this. See, flour is. That's how you know the oil is hot or not. So if the oil is hot, you can put the chicken like this. That's one. That's two. You need to make sure the chicken is drowned, so it will completely fry. We just do two chicken, and we wait for like 7 or 8 minutes to make sure the chicken is golden brown. I'm just waiting. After the 7 minutes complete, the chicken will fully golden brown like this. So it's perfectly delicious. Crispy. Golden brown chicken, buttermilk chicken by me, Makoto Shevandy, from 12 MIPA 1 absen 19. Thank you.